This electrolyte Jell-O Fluff is a refreshing, low-carb, high-protein dessert made with pure gelatin, a no-sugar-added electrolyte blend, and full-fat Greek yogurt. Unlike traditional Jell-O recipes, this version supports gut health, hydration, and muscle recovery without artificial sweeteners or blood sugar spikes. Gelatin provides collagen-building amino acids that support digestion, joints, skin, and the gut lining, while electrolytes help replenish minerals lost through daily activity. Combined with protein-rich Greek yogurt, this fluffy, creamy dessert is perfect for keto, low-carb, real food, and metabolic health-focused lifestyles. If you're looking for a simple, nourishing dessert that actually works with your body, this is. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, review products, delete toxins, reimagine recipes, and share legal minutes to help coach your business towards success. Thanks for watching. If this recipe surprised you, don't stop here. The video on your screen shows the original electrolyte gelatin recipe that started all of this. It explains why gelatin works so well for gut health and hydration. Click that next and we'll walk you through it step by step. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.